How to make money on Upwork as a Pinterest marketing specialist. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make money using this platform. So let's get started by creating our account. And here, make sure to join as a freelancer. Then click on apply as a freelancer. And here you fill the usual information, first name, last name, email, and so on. Then you click on create my account. And for me, I'm going just to log in. I've already created my account. So here, continue with email, enter your password, and go with login. And then you proceed to setting up your profile. So here, this is the last step of setting the profile. So let's go back to start from the beginning, to start from the first steps. So here, this is the first step, as you can see. So let's get started. And here you have a question and you have 3 answers. So make sure to choose the answer that fits your situation. Then click on next. After that, you do the same with this other question. You have 3 answers. Choose the answer that fits you. And same thing with this other question, except here we're going to choose all of these options. They are all helpful, so make sure to choose them all, especially the third one. Then click on next to create a profile. And here you have 3 options to choose from. If you want to import your resume or your profile from LinkedIn, or if you want to upload your resume if you have it in a PDF file, or if you want to fill it out manually, it will take less than 15 minutes. So I prefer to fill it out manually. Start a new profile, and here you enter your skill, and then you click on next to add your experience. Click on the plus button to add your previous work experience. Then click on next to add your education. Same thing like the experience, you add your school in here, degree, field of study, and the other information. And then you proceed to add in the languages that you can speak and write. So here, English is a must in the platform. As you can see, all profiles include this, and here English is a must. So here you choose your level in that language. So my level in English is conversational, and here you can add other languages. For me, I'm going to add 2 more languages. The second one is Arabic, and the third one is French. And here you choose your level in these languages. Arabic is my native language, and French, my level in it is basic. I've studied it in school. And then click on next to add your skills. So here they've already suggested some skills for us, like Pinterest, freelance marketing, and marketing as well. So here let's choose Pinterest first. Let's go with freelance marketing and marketing. Let's see if we can find something else about Pinterest. And here we have Pinterest Ad Manager. Let's see if we can find something else. Pinterest. No results found. So I think that's all about Pinterest. And as you can see here, you can add maximum 15 skills. So there is enough room for a lot of skills. And when you're done with adding your skills, click on next to write an overview. So here, write a bio to tell the world all about yourself. And here we have an example of a bio, a small text and some bullet points. So guys, in order to enter a good bio for your profile, just go to ChatGPT, enter, I'm a Pinterest marketing specialist, give me a bio for my Upwork profile, and you will get a very decent bio. You will just need to make some adjustments to it and add some extra personal information, and then copy and paste it in here. For me, going to ChatGPT will make the video long, so let's just take Marty's bio and paste it in here. Then click on next to choose your categories. So here you can search for a service, or you can choose the suggested one for you, which is digital marketing. Let's see if we can find something else. And I believe my category is sales and marketing. So here we have lead generation and telemarketing, marketing, PR, and brand strategy. So let's just leave it with digital marketing, or let's add marketing as well. And that's it. Then click on next to set your rate. So here you can enter your hourly rate. Let's go with $40 or $50 per hour. Then click on next to add your photo and location. So here you can add the usual information, date of birth, country, and address. After that, you can upload your profile picture where you show clients the best version of yourself. It must be an actual photo of you. Logos, clip art, group photos, and digitally altered images are not allowed. So keep that in mind, guys. And after you're done with creating your profile, I'm going to show you the method I use personally to improve my profile to attract more clients. So just let me go back to the main page. So here I'm going to go to the main page, and basically the idea is that I'm going to search for my competitors, the people that are doing the same skill like mine, and I'm going to find the highest earner amongst them, and then I will spy on his profile, study his profile, see how much he earned, how much he gets per hour, how is he describing his skill in the bio, and I will see or figure out what is working for him and try to implement that in my profile. So here, this one earned more than $200,000, more than $200,000 as well. Let's see if we can find something more than 700,000, more than 300,000, 70,000. So I think $700,000 is the maximum that someone earned in the platform. So let's see if we can find anyone earn more. So that's it, I guess. So guys, just focus on the ones with the $700,000 and try to do the strategy that I told you. And if you want to find more clients in the platform, you will need just to go to find work, click on find work for your skills, and enter your skill in the search box, and you will see all of the jobs or all of the listed jobs that are looking for your skill. So that's it, guys, for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends.